Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the glam version of my summer evening makeup look. A few videos ago, I did like the everyday summer makeup look, which was really lightweight, very fresh face. Today we are doing the more glamorous, amped up version, which does involve foundation and just a little bit more products than the other look did, even though they are very similar in the sense that we're still kind of playing off that sun-kissed look for the summer and everything like that. I really just wanted to create this look for you guys because I was getting so many comments in my summer video asking to do like the glamorous nighttime amped up version. So here it is. And I hope you guys enjoy. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. My skin is so dry this morning, so I'm gonna go in with the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Moisture Essence. This is something that I love to use. I actually mentioned this in my Holy Grail products, and it really is, especially right now during the summer. It is so refreshing, and my skin has just been so dry, and I think it's just from being out in the sun. Just like using a little bit really goes a long way. I love it so much. We are gonna be using the Rhode Peptide Glazing Fluid. I've really been liking this a lot. I find this to be one of my favorite steps because it's really lightweight. If you're new here, I just did a video all on her skincare. I'll link that down below if you guys want to see it, but I'm really loving this stuff. Next up, I'm gonna go in with the Barrier Restore Cream from Rhode as well. Really holds moisture in, and I love how like the consistency of the product. It's not super thick, but it's really creamy and really rich. So for SPF, I'm gonna use the Glow sunscreen by Supergoop. I basically use it also as like a primer because it has that glowiness. I don't know a better glowy primer than that. So for foundation, I'm gonna show you guys what products I will rotate during the summertime if I'm doing like a more glamorous version of what I usually do. Either use the Pat McGrath Lab Skin Fetish or the Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer. This I also really like because it's super lightweight and easy to apply. Or a new foundation that I've really been liking a lot is the Chantecaille Future Skin Oil-Free Gel Foundation. It's very undetectable and doesn't have a lot of coverage at all. Like I would consider this very sheer coverage. I used mine in the shade Hazel. I'm gonna use just like the cap. Apply a little bit face and then blend it out. You don't even feel it on your skin. It's even when like you pick up the product in the bottle, it just blends. And I like the gel formula, especially for summertime, because it tends to glide on really easy and last a really long time. Since the Future Skin is a very sheer foundation, I am gonna go in with a more medium coverage concealer, and I'm gonna use the Kosas one. It has a medium coverage, but you can really sheer it out if you want to. And then I'm gonna do a little bit down the nose. Just found a bag of Ulta makeup that I have not used. I just love cream products. I feel like they blend really well, and for the type of look, natural, glowy look that I always like to go for, products like cream, gel, liquid always tend to be more natural looking and look more skin-like, so that's why I'm always gravitating towards them. I still really think the Charlotte Tilbury contour one is really good because it's super liquidy, really blendable. I also really like the Chanel Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream, and this is actually in 395 Soleil Tan Deep Bronze. So this is their darker shade. So there is my skin looking nice and bronzed. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the Say Dew Blush in the shade Dreamy. I really like to layer my blushes. This is also gonna give me that really like sun-kissed look, bringing it up this way. See how it sort of gives a hue like that? I'm gonna go in with the Cloud Paint by Glossier, and this is in the shade Storm. And I'm just gonna use a teeny bit on the back of my hand. You don't need a lot. I just like to take it with my finger and just start to focus this right around this part of my face and just go upwards. See how, I don't know why, but this like pairing always just gives me that really nice like crisped skin look, and I love it for my skin tone, because I feel like everybody's sun-kissed shade, it just varies, you know? This is one of my like favorite go-to shades to use on my eyes. I'm just gonna take the excess that's on my hand with a brush and then just disperse it right onto the tip of my nose. So on to brows now. I'm gonna use the iconic London liquid brow, I guess is what it's called. It's got this tiny little brush right here, and I like to get enough that it coats the hairs of my brow. Then I'm gonna use a little spoolie and then push them up. I'm going to curl my lashes, apply a little bit of mascara, and then go ahead and add my Naked Lashes by Ardell. These are in number 421. So I just applied the lashes. It took me a second, and I had to do them off camera because who can put lashes on camera? I don't know. I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Classic Brown eye pencil, and this I'm just going to focus it on the, like right up like that, just to accentuate the eye a little bit more. And to be completely honest, you guys, I kind of cut my lash a little too short, so I'm just trying to hide the little gap on the outer corner. Oh, I feel like I fixed it because you can't even tell now. Cool. This is an amazing eye pencil, by the way. I love it more than the Mario one, to be completely honest. I think it's so much better. Let's go in with the Freck. So I did this in the everyday summer makeup look. And I said, and I'll reiterate it again, that I find that when you apply Freckles, not only is it that like summery, sun-kissed kind of look, it also makes your makeup look even more natural, because it makes it seem like, oh, I can see her skin. She must not be wearing that much makeup. You know what I mean? This is the Freck Noir. I believe this is the darker version. So if you are, you know, medium to darker skin tone, this is supposed to work better. I'm just going to apply this right to the nose. Just do a ton of different dots like this. And then just take your finger and tap and just sort of disperse the freckles where you want them to go. And this shade tends to show up a lot better on my skin, which I don't know why I never tried to get this darker one before. And I really want to focus it mainly on like the nose, because I love like a freckly nose. And anybody who has an issue with like faux freckled noses, like you're not okay. But see what I mean? So cute. I just want to add a little bit something more like bright in the eyes, because the lashes are really dark right now. I'm gonna use this Nude Sticks. It's actually just like a mini beachy nudes, and this is in, honestly I don't know, but I know that the shade that I'm about to use is you can buy it in like the regular size. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger into the eye area. See how it just sort of amps it up a little bit more. Also, by the way, this shade, if you're looking for it, it's called Picante. I'm just gonna apply a little bit here. Why not? And I'll use this, which is the Bubbly Bebe highlight shade. Love this thing because it's so easy to just do your highlight with in the inner corner. Put a little bit of this right on the cheekbone. So for lip color, I'm gonna go in with Hot Gossip. We're gonna use the Patrick Ta Full Syringe Gloss. What is this called? Major Volume Plumping Gloss. And it smells like cinnamon, so good. Wearing this just on its own too, it looks so good. I'm just gonna use a tiny bit of setting powder right underneath the eyes. Use the Airbrush Flawless Finishing Powder by Charlotte Tilbury. Setting spray. Okay, so I just fixed my hair. Don't really know what I did, but it is what it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've tried any of these products that I shared in today's video. I know I kind of went overboard with the blush, but like, I can't help it. I love blush so much, and to be honest though, blush is the first thing that fades on your makeup look, so just load up on the blush, because by the time you walk out that door, especially during summer, it's gonna evaporate. So just live your life. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys wanna see in the next upcoming videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.